Today we are here for the special order from the US market. This order is about 1,500 piece coffee grinder. This time we apply for the SGS company to assist our customer to check this order. Make sure everything is perfect. Our SGS inspection process includes 1. Production process monitoring, 2. Quality inspection, 3. Report writing, 4. Communication feedback, 5. Follow-up verification, 6. Customer communication, 7. Continuous improvement. We do the things serious for our customer, so they only to focus the market and no need to worry about the quality and production.